Hi everyone! I'll make pancakes today. This is a very tasty and very high-calorie dish. As you know, a pancake, or hotcake or pancakes, not to be confused with oat bar pancakes, is a tortilla, usually thin and round, made from starchy dough that may contain eggs, milk and butter and cooked on a hot surface, for example, skillet, often fried in butter or oil. The shape and structure of pancakes are very different in the world. In the United Kingdom, pancakes are often bland. In North America, chefs use baking powder to form thick, fluffy pancakes. I will make fancy pancakes. The main ingredient is buckwheat flour. The fillings will be very different. The pancakes will be thick, fluffy, and thin. Buckwheat flour can be used in pancake dough, but this flour does not have a lot of protein, so for buckwheat pancakes add eggs to the dough. Pancakes can be served at any time of the year with a variety of fillings. In North America, pancakes are generally considered a breakfast food and serve the same function as waffles. In Britain and the Commonwealth, pancakes are prepared on Shrove Tuesday, commonly known as Pancake Day. So historically, perishable ingredients had to be consumed before the period of Lent. In France, pancakes are definitely served on Fat Tuesday or Mardi Gras. Mardi Gras is a fun festival with fatty sweets, and pancakes are the best food for this celebration. The topping for pancakes can also vary. Buckwheat pancakes are combined with cream, butter and honey, nuts, caramelized apples. If you make a dough and add more milk to it, the pancakes will be thin and crispy. Cheese is the best filling for such thin pancakes. Delicious impressions. Friends, thumbs up and subscribe to my channel Simple Peppers. See you soon.